Today I'm gonna show you how to repurpose content with Team-GPT. Hi, my name is Maggie and I'm a marketer at Team-GPT. As a product marketer in Team-GPT, I very often need to take some product or feature information from our product team and repurpose it for different media. So today I'm gonna show you my actual workflow of how I do that and how I repurpose our content. As you can see, I have opened my Team-GPT workspace and I'm going to head over to my user guides project. I've set up some project knowledge, some project information. You're a product marketer at Team-GPT. You need to write detailed step-by-step how-to guides. Then I have some example outputs like tone of voice. I have a link which is the PRD from our new feature, the prompt builder, which I have taken from product. And I also have some other user guides that I want the AI to take for reference. What is cool about project knowledge is that Team-GPT will get all the context that you provide in project knowledge and keep it in mind for every chat in that project. So now when I start a chat in our user guides project, the AI will be aware of everything I have written here. I'm gonna start a new chat and I'm gonna say generate a user guide for the prompt builder, and I'm gonna tell the AI to consider all examples. The AI has generated a user guide that follows the structure of the examples I have given and gives information to Team-GPT users about our new feature. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to publish this chat and copy the public link to the chat. Now I'm going to head over a different project I have, which is product updates emails. So now I want to take the user guide I have generated and give it as a context in another project, and then generate a product updates email about all the recent changes we've had in Team-GPT. In this project, I have set up different project knowledge. This one says, you're a product marketer at Team-GPT, your task is to write product updates. I've also added links to all release notes from this month, and I have also added an onboarding emails writing guidelines. Here, I'm also going to paste the link I just copied from our user guide chat so that Team-GPT has context of what the prompt builder does, just in case. I'm going to start a new chat in this project, and I will ask the AI to generate a product updates email considering the release notes. Prompt builder should be the highlighted feature. I'm entering the prompt. And as you can see, the AI is generating my email. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy my email and head over to a project called Team-GPT articles. In this project, I again have some project information, example outputs, and I also have Team-GPT's brand DNA. I'm going to select a prompt from our prompt library, blog article. In this prompt, I have these variables that I just filled. Our ideal reader is the Team-GPT user base. The desired outcome is to inform about recent product updates. I will list the ideas I want to be added below, which would be my email, and the number of words is 600. I have my full prompt over here. And I'm going to paste also my email. Now the AI will generate an article that will be in Team-GPT's tone of voice, and it will also take the information from my product updates email. If I want, I can go in Pages and further edit my article, but now I want to generate some social media content. I'm going to go back to my chat. Now I would like to repurpose this article and generate social media posts for Team-GPT's LinkedIn. As you already know, I have given the AI our Team-GPT brand DNA in project knowledge, so these posts should be tailored to our brand tone and voice. Cool, my LinkedIn posts are ready, and now I can share this chat with my colleague so that he can schedule our posts for social media. And this is how to repurpose content with Team-GPT. See you soon!